$5 versus $50 grocery haul, right pointing arrow, same meal, same recipe. 10 times the budget difference. Can you even taste it? Today I'm making the exact same spaghetti with meat sauce, twice. One version costs $5. The other costs $50. Same steps, same technique, only the ingredients change. By the end of this video, we're going to find out if expensive groceries are actually worth it, or if it's all just marketing. Let's get into it. Here's what $5 gets me. Store brand spaghetti, a can of generic crushed tomatoes, regular ground beef, shelf-stable Parmesan, and basic dried herbs. And here's what $50 gets me. Imported bronze dye pasta, San Marzano DOP tomatoes, Wagyu ground beef, fresh Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh basil, and a finishing olive oil. Same dish. Wildly different starting points. Let's cook. First, aromatics. Garlic and onion into the pan for both versions, same amount, same timing. Now the meat goes in. Regular ground beef on this side. Wagyu on this side. Watch the difference in how they render. Tomatoes next, generic crushed tomatoes here, San Marzano here. This is honestly one of the biggest flavor differences in Italian cooking, so I'm curious if it shows. While that simmers down, let's get the pasta going. Same method, same salt, same timing, for both. Toss the pasta into the sauce, a splash of pasta water to bring it together, and same plate, same portion, same amount of cheese on top. I'm keeping this completely fair. The only difference is the ingredients themselves. Finishing touch, fresh basil and a drizzle of good olive oil on the $50 version, because that's part of what you're paying for. Time for the real test. Friend's name has no idea which plate is which. Let's see what they think. So, can you tell which one's the $5 plate? And the answer is, reveal. Wow, okay, that's actually surprising. So here's the truth, your honest takeaway. If the tomatoes made the biggest difference, that's worth splurging on. But skip the fancy pasta, because that's basically where a $50 meal loses you. If you want to see more budget versus splurge challenges, let me know in the comments what dish you want me to test next. And if you're new here, subscribe. I do a new food challenge every week.